What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be installing a wig in partnership with Elva Hair. And so let me go ahead and show y'all the wig so we can get into this video. Okay, so here's the wig, and I haven't had a chance to bleach the knots, but I'm not even gonna lie, I usually don't. So yeah, and I couldn't remember exactly the length and details of this wig, but I'll definitely put all the information in the description box. But it honestly looks like this wig is probably like 10 to 12 inches, and so it's definitely curly, has dark roots. And so we're just gonna go ahead and get into this install. And yeah, so as y'all can see, I need to go ahead and get my wig cap and stuff in order. So just enjoy the video and stay tuned for the finished look.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
I'ma say this one time, one take, one lane, one grade, my food, my play, give up, I can't, no other option. One day I might buy mom a mansion. If I can't afford one, I'll buy a condo with some extensions. we have our own show. Like we would drop 3 albums in a row. Have our own notes with a custom logo. Everything funded by me and the bros. I used to fear standing up in the crowd. Now I ask them to put me in the front like I'm quiet directing. Would you like your God? He picked up the tables and turned them around. I'm getting paid to make puzzles with sounds. I dream in color and speak with authority. Give me the mic with a stage and a beat. You would think that I'm holding the scepter of crown.
Up to the ground, white they came out, they were kidding around. Black they told them we ain't kidding right now. They released the gold, they loving the sound. Loving the sound, give me the second to calm myself down. I'm back in my city, I'm wearing my crown. Grew up in the struggle, my struggle had struggles. And so with my brothers that fall to the ground. We hustle for money, we greedy for wins. You didn't want that, you couldn't be it. I told my mama to plan on the kid. The future is here, the future alive. We use the ball to step out of bounds of poverty line. But never mind, the picnic involved, the money involved. And end of the time, the day. Hold on. I told my mama to plan on the kid. The future is here, the future alive. We're using the ball to step out of bounds of the poverty line. But never mind, the picnic involved, the knowledge evolved, the homies involved, the money resolved. I'm digging the shoes, the hybrid is new, the city is cool, and I'm that dude. I'm that dude. I'm that dude. I'm digging the shoes, the hybrid is new, the city is cool, and I'm that dude. Stop, bro, if I keep going.
I be in my own mind, thinking hard, meditate. Think once, speak twice, hesitate. I'm just trying to level up, levitate. Make another one so I can celebrate. Drop the beat, but I'm picking it up. It's on my back, putting me down, but I'm moving it up. They ain't never seen me act like this in the dirt. So to see, eat the pill and drink the juice like this. I'm just doing my thing. It's coming back in the clouds, so I'm waiting for rain. Be who I am, I'm taking a chance. Sit in line, pay my dues, and I'm waiting for change. Let me slow it down and catch my breath. Give more than I get, so you know I'm blessed. When I turn in my work, I'ma give it my best. I'm waiting for the day that I can give it a rest. Woo! Let me catch my breath. Get more than I get, so you know I'm blessed. When I turn in my work, I'll give it my best. Waiting for the day I can give it a rest. And on that day, I'll hear well done. You ran your race, your job is done. You played your part, your work is finished. Rest well, my son.
Sipping. What you do? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in a row. I look too good to be alone. House clean, my pool warm. Just smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing in the east swing, the west swing of this mansion. What's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you try to leave these songs, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me, I want you to love me. Tell me that you're coming soon. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Oh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making.
Okay, y'all, so here go the final look. I've been playing with this part because I don't really know how I want it to lay right here, but other than that, I definitely love this wig. Okay, and so once again, this hair is from Elva Hair. I believe this is about 10 inches, but I will have all of the information involving this hair down in the description box down below. So thank y'all once again for tuning in and watching and staying to the end. So you already know, click, smack that subscribe button down below, and I will see y'all on my next video.